Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. And if you are a React developer and you love to use Tailwind, I have something for you. Now, yeah, I don't know if you know about Chakra UI or not, but basically Chakra UI is Tailwind for React, and it's great on its own. But now I'm not gonna talk about Chakra UI because as I am comparing it to Tailwind, so you can obviously guess, as Tailwind have no built-in components like Bootstrap, Chakra UI also doesn't have. But today I have found out a great, not today, basically a few days ago, few days or not also few days, few months ago, I have found out a great component library for Chakra UI, and I gonna showcase that today. So let's get started. So let me give you a quick overview about Chakra first. So what is Chakra? As I have told you already, Chakra is basically Tailwind in React. Actually, they have a lots of thing in common, and they are basically inspired from them. I think so, but still they aren't using Tailwind under the hood. But they have rewritten everything in their code base, I think, from Tailwind. Because if you go to Tailwind and if you search for their classes and you try to apply those same classes here, it will definitely work. So that's a great thing. And if you have a great knowledge about Tailwind, so you can use it as well. And you can see it here, Chakra is growing and all. And their community is great, to be honest. I have visited their what Discord, like I am in their Discord server. They are basically great people, and they have really potentially huge not huge but strong community for everything. And they have a pro also, like Chakra UI Pro, built in, like pre-built components of Chakra UI, just like React, just like Tailwind. They also have a pro feature where they have built-in components. So same, whatever. Tailwind have headless UI. You may like tell me that, oh, Mehul, already Tailwind have like headless UI for React. Then why again Chakra? Because headless UI is restricted, and it has so less components and so less things that you can't even do anything, like can't even build a bigger project in it. It need much more backing from the behind, and it need much more developers to grow the library and all. So that's why. So basically, let's go to their documentation. And now one thing you can see here, their documentation and Tailwind's documentation look exactly the same. Same pattern of UI, same search bar, same everything. Everything looks exactly same. But obviously both of them are different. Now this video is not about Chakra. Let's talk about Koch UI, I think, or Cock. Shit. I was not supposed to say that. Whatever it is. I don't know what its name, but you get it. Okay. So yeah, they have. So let's just get started, and you can see one thing, that Koch or Cock, whatever the UI says, whatever the name of the UI is, you can see basically the homepage of Chakra and homepage of this component library is almost same. Whatever, let's get started here also. Basically they have all of the buttons layout, not buttons, all of the components laid out here, and here is the installation instruction. So two things you will find different from basic Chakra's installation. That is, obviously Chakra is using React, Chakra UI React, emotion React, emotion style, that framer motion. What extra they are using is React icons, and that's it. Basically all of those are same. They are extra thing that they are using is React icons. Now let's look at those, like look at the cards component first, because card is the most generic and basic component. So they have great design of cards as well, like great collection of card components. And as I fiddle around with everything a lot, so I can show you another thing that you may find interesting. That is, I think the yes, right, Daisy UI. So let me show you the Daisy UI also. Daisy UI is basically built-in, pre-built Tailwind components. And if you see the components here, mm, okay, maybe those are not from Daisy UI, but some of the UI components are same from here as well. Like what was that? Daisy or I've forgotten. Whatever. Daisy UI also another great thing. So I will make a dedicated video for all the pre-built components of Tailwind UI specifically. Obviously, I will make that also. But as you can see here in, I don't want to call the name anymore. In this UI library, you get too many cards and carousels as well. Then hero sections and all. They have great collection of hero section and all. Like this, I my personal favorite is this one because these have this gradient text. So yeah, basically that's it about this video. So try this library out yourself and let me know if you like it or not. I don't know how many of you know about all of those, like chakra, then cock, whatever, cock. How you supposed to spell that? Chalk? Maybe. I don't know. Whatever. Like how is supposed to pronounce that? Spelling is CHOC, but how you supposed to pronounce that? I don't know. Whatever. That UI and Daisy. So I will obviously make a dedicated video on Tailwind components as well. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel because I'm still not 100 subscribers strong. And if you know about some of the great resources like this, like if you also fiddle around with lots of websites and you know many of them, please let me know about them in the comment so I can feature them in my future videos. Everyone will get help with those type of things, so please let me know in the comments. So bye for now.